Hey, what's up guys? Eric from BeatSonic, and this is for the iPhone users. So for iPhone users, there's a product to use with our smartphone mirroring kit, which is an official Apple AV adapter, just as the one you see over here. The only problem is every time you put your vehicle into reverse, or say that your video is interrupted for some reason, if you play it again, the sound's not gonna come out anymore. That's because this adapter here, it's an HDMI connector, and it's trying to push through the audio in addition to the video through this HDMI output that's connected to our interface. And as you know, the audio continues to flow through the Bluetooth and not the actual HDMI itself. And that's where there's going to be a little bit of an issue. So we went ahead and played around with this AV adapter a bit to figure out how to make this AV adapter work, because a lot of you folks out there are gonna wanna use your Netflix, the Hulu, and other video players. So this is how you do it. So with the AV adapter, first you are going to need an additional HDMI male-to-male cable, or you could just get one of these joint connectors, just male-to-male, and just plug it in, okay? And then on this side over here, although it's not necessary, but we recommend it because it will charge your phone while you have this connected, is another lightning cable. Just a standard lightning to USB. We have it plugged into the car on the other side. And then we are going to connect the joint part to our interface, just like this. And once you have all this connected, of course, we are going to connect to our iPhone. Okay, and then turn on the camera, and there it is. It's being mirrored. Okay, and then how do we make the sound work when the sound's not working on this? You go ahead and turn on any sort of music player app or a podcast app. For in this case, I'm gonna just use podcast, and just go here, go ahead and press play, and then press pause, and then go ahead and press play here.
And you know, and I look into the faces.
And then go ahead and press pause one more time after you confirm that the sound is coming out through the Bluetooth. So the phone is now registered to the vehicle as a music player. And then go ahead and go back to that Netflix video. The sound is back. And it will continue to work as long as it doesn't get interrupted by either a phone call or you put your vehicle onto reverse and back. Those are the events that may cut the sound off once again. You're gonna have to just go through that really quick steps just to get your music back, which shouldn't take more than a few seconds. So that's a little bit of inconvenience that you will have to deal with. But the positive side of using the official Apple adapter is that when the new iOS gets updated, it is guaranteed that this same exact Apple AV adapter is going to continue to work. And on top of that, if you use this Apple AV adapter, as you can see for some music videos, it'll put you in the airplane mode. So when you go into airplane mode like this, you could actually lock your phone and just put it away so you don't have two flashing screens at you. And for all you Android users, you don't have anything to worry about because that one product that we have linked will work for all applications, including Netflix, YouTube, and all that. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this answers a lot of the questions you guys had before. If you have any additional questions, shoot us an email at info@beatsonicusa.com, or you can also comment below on the description and we will reply to all the comments below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.